The huge entrepreneurial potential among youth and actively contribute in setting up a robust startup ecosystem driven by innovation and technology. He has traveled all over India addressing about 50,000 students on entrepreneurship, covering 300 plus academic campuses including IITs, IIMs and NITs. In his last stint, he had worked with Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Incubator at IIT Bombay, handling outreach, partnerships and special projects including National Entrepreneurship Award Scheme instituted by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. He is advisory committee member of Smart India Hackathon by Ministry of Information Technology and AICT. He is also an evaluator of IICDC powered by AIC Mission, DST and Texas Instrument. He holds a postgraduate degree in management from University of Mumbai. He is a certified instructional designer and has successfully completed entrepreneurship educator course offered by NEN Stanford Technology Ventures Program. He loves traveling and exploring new places and local cultures. His LinkedIn profile gives a lot of insight into other details of him. Please go through his LinkedIn profile. And with these words, I welcome Mr. Uday Vankamala, and we look forward to your continued support and guidance. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the kind introduction. I believe you're audible now,
you can raise the volume a bit. The voice is feeble. Yeah.
Okay. Once. Yeah. Is it clear now? Is it better?
Yeah, it is better.
Okay, and the video as well. So the thing is, I'm using a backup connection. So at any point of time, if at all, if there is any network issue, just let me know. I'll move on to the main Wi-Fi connectivity that I have. So this is, I'm working on a mobile connectivity at this moment. I believe at this moment it's pretty much clear and stable. Just wanted to check before I start off.
Yeah, but your voice is still very feeble. The voice is not that clear as it should be. Yeah.
Okay, hang on one sec. Then let me just try.
भारती जी, आप अपना mic off कर देंगे, please. Dr. Srinath, many of the people's mic is on, and that is interfering with the quality of the video.
Right now.
I've moved to the main connection. I believe this will be better now.
Yeah, this is better. This is better video quality wise. Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. So without further ado, let me just start with the presentation. Would that be okay? I think let's just do that. And I believe everyone is settled down. All the microphones are on mute and the videos are off. If not, then just a humble request that everyone please switch off your camera and please keep your system in mute. It's been amazing in a way that reaching out to a lot of students, faculty, academic institution, which would have taken me at least a day to travel down to such institutions. I think let's look at this as a positive sort of a thing कि फिलहाल मुझे travel करके नहीं जाना है, and then I can reach out to everyone. And the session that I had promised Anurekha madam quite some time ago, which was almost 3-4 months back, at least we are able to do this. So thanks to the technology, thanks to madam, thanks to Kurukshetra University for giving me this opportunity. I'm going to be speaking in English and Hindi both. I hope so, that's fine. And the whole idea for this session is we learn the journey of a student from student life to an entrepreneur. So as a student, आप कैसे अपनी journey start कर सकते हो? And there are few tips because I have addressed more than 3,000 students all across India, have looked at a lot of innovators from college and academic institutions. And what I'm going to do is simply share my learnings, nothing more than that. हम लोग ये थोड़ा interactive रखेंगे. So what I've done is I've split it into two parts. One is about few experiences that I would love to share that will open up our minds, जो आपको सोचने में मजबूर करेगा कि पहले एक कि आप खुद एक entrepreneur बन सकते हो कि नहीं, और अगर बन सकते हो तो स्टूडेंट जर्नी में I'm going to share a couple of examples that we call it as student entrepreneurs. So I think that is where the whole idea is. So now I'll start off with the presentation. I hope so you can view the screen.
Yes, we can view the screen. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So the topic is student idea to startup journey. Now this is very interesting. क्योंकि क्या होता है जब आप 18, 19 year old, 20 year old, you have a lot of passion, you have a lot of problems as well at the same point of time that you can solve rather than being more like kind of ठीक है चलता है sort of attitude. If at all at this age group, if you take up problems head on और उसको थोड़ा challenge करोगे आप, then you will be able to come up with solutions. And that's what I've seen a lot of innovators and entrepreneurs starting their journey right at the student life. And I'm talking not just from IITs and IIMs campuses, I'm talking from even tier 2 and tier 3 cities, जहाँ पे students के पास time है काफी और वो time को कैसे वो effectively utilize करते हैं is what the whole idea. Because you have a lot of social media with you. You have a lot of handles, you have a lot of channels through which you can reach out to. और ये ऐसा वाला situation है अभी फिलहाल that you would see a lot of things changing in and around. Not just the way the education is looked at, but also in a way that you will live your life. So again, these are all nothing but opportunities for you because we have too many challenges now. So the objective is I'm going to share important traits. So जब भी traits बोलते हैं तो क्या वो चीजें हैं as a student entrepreneur that you should have. मैं आपको 3 से 4 पॉइंट्स बताऊंगा जो आसानी से आपको समझ में आएगा whether you are of entrepreneurial you have that entrepreneurial mindset and you have that entrepreneurial sort of a gut feel to take your journey ahead. अगर उसमें से एक दो aspects missing है, my humble request is please work upon that. But everyone at this moment is an entrepreneur if you would see, because जो अभी आप आत्मनिर्भर भारत की बात कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारी बातें हो रही है इंडिया में और globally, I believe everyone has to be self-dependent, and that's where entrepreneurship is all about. The second is I've got 3 very interesting examples that I would love to share. ये भी आपके जैसे ही स्टूडेंट्स थे या एक एग्जाम्पल है जो अभी भी एक स्टूडेंट है, अभी उसने पास आउट किया है फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग कैंपस, how they came up with the solution around their startup idea. So that is the second objective, and from that you can easily make out कि कौन से ideas और opportunities है जो आप आराम से देख सकते हो अभी to start your business. And the third thing is how would you start your journey, that is mainly your journey from your startup idea to business model. I'm not going to talk about at this moment about venture. Maybe we'll keep that particular thing for some later on time, not at this particular moment. We'll keep a separate session on that. But अभी फिलहाल मैं सिर्फ fundamentals को touch upon करूंगा, and through those fundamentals I'm sure you'll be able to gauge कि आपको कौन सी चीजें हैं जो ध्यान में रखनी है through which you could become an entrepreneur and then start your journey as an entrepreneur. That's the most important aspect that I believe that you really need to look at. So first and foremost, I always say that you have to be passionate. You have to be passionate in a way that the work that you are doing has to have a passion in it. बहुत जरूरी है passion, hobbies, problem solver. Now there are different aspects in your entrepreneur journey. Entrepreneur एक ऐसा शख्स है जो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं कि जो जुगाड़ कर लेता है, बट साथ में पीपल मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स भी होना बहुत जरूरी है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट पैशन. पैशन के साथ आपको एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलानी है, सो यू नीड टू हैव दोज ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल कैपेबिलिटीज एज वेल. सेकेंड इज अराउंड हैव अ मिशन. have a mission around what is it that you want to change or you want to solve a problem. Pick up a particular problem area that you want to really work upon and then try solving that problem. Not like as an idea, but more like an execution. तो उससे आपका मिशन एक हो जाएगा for what you are there. और मिशन से एक बड़ी बात जुड़ी हुई है, which I'm going to talk in the next slide, is about vision or the purpose. Once you find a mission, then automatically it will reach you, it will take you to a level wherein you'll be able to identify the purpose of your entrepreneurial journey, and most importantly, it could be even purpose of your life as well. The third trait is self-belief, confidence. ये देखिए बहुत जरूरी है, और मैंने ज्यादा करके I've traveled all across the country. What I've seen is a lot of students lack in articulation, lack in confidence. काफी टाइम होता है हमको IITs में नहीं मिला, IIMs में नहीं मिला. Now please understand, academic is one part of it, and you have to excel in academics, but at the same point of time, if you can do more things than academic, I think that's very important for you to understand. And you need to have a self belief कि जो एक आप आपने जर्नी ली है, जो प्रॉब्लम आप सॉल्व करना चाहते हो, वो आप नेक्स्ट 3 to 5 years में उसको परसिस्टेंटली उस पर काम करेंगे एंड कॉन्फिडेंटली काम करेंगे. बिकॉज ये जर्नी में ऐसी चीज है कि स्टार्टिंग में देर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल अराउंड यू who would say, so there is a typical term, right, कि तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. So again, I mean, that's very important that you don't have to lose confidence, you don't have to lose faith, because first and foremost, it would start off with your friends, then it would start with your family, and then it would start with even professional world as well, saying that, hey, your idea is, we don't think so, it's possible. जितने लोग ज्यादा बोलेंगे पॉसिबल नहीं है, I believe that's where as an entrepreneur you need to stand firm and then prove others wrong कि आप ये कर सकते हो. Then the other important aspect is you need to have hunger to learn more and more. You cannot go with an attitude that I know all. I've seen a lot of entrepreneurs that are from reputed campuses, and then even at times I've seen a lot of innovators saying that I know everything, यही best solution है. There is something called as unlearning. Happens over a period of time in the journey of everyone, and this is lifelong. ये अभी भी मैं फिलहाल at my age as well, I'm looking at it and trying to learn new things, trying to listen to other people so that I can learn. Hello? Yeah.
I can hear you.
Yeah.
At least Sangeeta,
So,
some Sangeeta.
yeah. Sure. So there has to be that hunger to learn more and more. Otherwise, what's going to happen is it's going to stop your growth. कि आप सब जानते हो, आप कुछ नया जो कर रहे हो वो आप ही कर सकते हो. You have to be humble. You have to be really at times your ears and eyes, you have to keep it open all the times as an entrepreneur. And that's where the hunger to learn comes in. And the last but the most important aspect that needs to be there is you need to be truthful. क्योंकि मैंने जब एक जुगाड़ वर्ड यूज किया, lot of times people misinterpret that word and say that आराम से अनएथिकली ये काम कर सकते हैं. बट एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर जितने आप ट्रूथफुल रहोगे, ट्रूथफुल टू द कॉज, ट्रूथफुल टू योरसेल्फ, ट्रूथफुल टू द कम्युनिटी अराउंड यू, and truthful to the solution that you are solving or the problem that you have taken up, I think that's very important. क्योंकि क्या होगा कि वो कनेक्ट की जो बात है कि जो आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो, जो आर्टिकुलेट करने वाले हो, वो बहुत आसानी से आप लोगों को बता पाओगे और लोग आपसे जुड़ पाएंगे. नहीं तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है ये एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी टू डू इट ऑल अलोन. You need to be truthful and you need to be really at times coming out boldly. अगर आप फेल होते हो, accept it and even talk to stakeholders that आप फेल हुए हो. You are going to learn from it or some solutions would come from them. Not every time you have to go back to your customers, stakeholders, clients with some kind of excuses or जुगाड़ू kind of statements saying that नहीं, ये तो ऐसे ही होता है या इसी तरह से. Yeah, you need to have the street smartness, but street smartness, there is a thin line of difference. That along with street smartness, you need to be truthful to yourself and stakeholders as well. So these are just the personality traits. Now, this is what I would like. Maybe if you want, you can take a screenshot of this as well. And this I have learned it over a period of time. कि काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि entrepreneurial journey में और आपकी student journey में, how would I find a purpose? एंड अगर आप ये देखोगे ये पर्टिकुलर ग्राफ में, जो आपको पसंद है, जो आप चाहते हो, व्हाट यू लव इट, what you are paid for it. The world needs it is your solution and what you are great at it. अगर ये चारों के इंटरजेक्ट आप देखोगे, जो रेड डॉट है, that is what is purpose. So it consists of your bit of passion, your mission, your vocation as well at times, and your profession. So ये चारों चीज को अगर आप एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे, अगर आपको आपके आइडिया को आप नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाओगे और उस पे काम करोगे, and if it's really kind of meeting all the four things. So let me just give you an example. Your passion is all about kind of education. So educating someone, that could be your passion. So you could be a teacher. Again, you are great at it. That's wonderful. Is it what the world would need it? That's what your customer is all about. Are you going to be paid for it? Yes, sure. You love that particular thing, doing a job, but for how long? And at the same point of time, put this into a business journey. कि इसको आप as an entrepreneur कैसे देख रहे हो for the long term, and you would find a purpose, and that is where. So the purpose is not about just educating someone. The purpose could be reaching out to the rural community or reaching out to the people that is underserved and then educating them. That can become your bigger goal or a purpose. That's the most important aspect that you really need to look at. और ये अगर आप identify करोगे, it takes time. Students, please understand, ये इतना आसान नहीं है. It takes years to find purpose. जितना जल्दी आप ये purpose find out करोगे in your entrepreneur journey, it's going to be good for you and people around you. I have seen people even struggling at the age of 50, 60 to find the purpose of their life. And please understand, out here we are not here to make everyone entrepreneur. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप entrepreneur बन के ही आपका purpose find out करोगे. But अगर आप entrepreneur हो तो आपके लिए purpose बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने आगे बताया about truthful and purpose, I think that's interlinked, and the mission. So that is what you really need to take care of, and you need to find that purpose which is close to your heart. And that will lead to one thing, which is whether the world is going to need this particular solution or not, और उसके लिए कितना market है. And that is what entrepreneurship is all about. Two things: whether world needs it, except there are few cases like Bill Gates and few cases like Steve Jobs, who would come up with altogether new innovative solutions. But let me tell you, these are 0.01% of world population. Not everyone can be Bill Gates, or not everyone can be Steve Jobs of innovators part of it. So please understand, you need to, whatever the solution that you are bringing in has to have a market for it. The world should need it. And the second aspect is, you are going to be paid for it as well. That payment could be from the customers, from the stakeholders, from the government, from the CSR. Now it could be anything. So ये आपके entrepreneurial journey में बहुत ही important है. I'll take a couple of examples now. So in our incubation center, we have a very interesting project. Now the reason we chose this particular project was the problem statement was given by the ministry. So definitely there was a problem around, and government ने दिया था ये particular problem. They are the winners of Smart India Hackathon. I'm sure everyone would know the Smart India Hackathon, which is by AICTE and MHRD. So वो platform is also one of the good platforms for you students to check out कि आपको ideas कहाँ से मिलेंगे. So ideas आपको in and around problems आप जो face करते हो वहाँ से मिलेंगे. Ideas आपको ऐसे competition platform से मिलेंगे. Ideas आपको काफी important portal से मिलेंगे, like change.org and change. So lot of portals will throw upon lot of solutions around or problems around, and through which you can come out with real solutions for those problems. So ये ministry का problem statement था कि आप जब भी hilly regions में जाते हो, you would find lot of people over there. So just take an example in Northeast. If you would go in those hilly regions, you would find people walking with a kind of a band-aid back. वो लोग की back थोड़ी उस तरह से झुकी हुई रहती है. The reason being they take lot of load. So आप अगर देखोगे वो जो काम करते हैं काफी लोग वहां पे मजदूर, वो या तो टी एस्टेट में करते हैं, गार्डन्स में करते हैं, जहां पे काफी लोड लेके वो ऊपर से हिली रीजन्स में आते हैं, एंड उनका जो बॉडी पोस्चर है वो उनके लाइफ टाइम के लिए अफेक्ट होता है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम वाज, दैट if at all, if anyone, and that worker could be even construction worker as well, कि वो इतना लोड लेके जाता है, तो ऐसा कोई टूल बन सकता है जिससे कि वो लोड लेने में आसानी रहे. And this is what the team came up with. These are just students like yours, 2021 age group, studying in an engineering college, third year of engineering, and came up with an interesting tool. I'm going to show that tool as well. The second is, I'm sure you might have heard about this venture. I started mentoring them in 2012-13. The venture name is Green Soul, as you can see in the screen, on the screen, but very important for you to know their journey. आप सबको मालूम होगा that there are a lot of marathon runners, right? So there are a lot of marathon runners, and what really happens, what they thought about is 2-3 साल के बाद ये जो मैराथन रनर्स शूज यूज करते हैं, तो वो शूज को बाद में क्या करते होंगे उनके सोल का. And that is where they came up with very interesting idea. So if you would see the Indian population, and most of them in the underprivileged kind of a society, that you would find lot of people in the slum area, they can't even afford a chappal. And that is where they came up with this wonderful interesting idea that ये जो मैराथन रनर्स है, जिसके शूज आप अगर देखोगे 5 से 7 हजार की उसकी कॉस्ट रहती है, और वो सोल जो रहता है, और जब भी मैराथन रनर दे हार्डली यूज इट फॉर, सो एनी जॉगर्स और रनर्स वुड यूज इट फॉर 2 to 3 years. उसका आउटर लेयर पूरा ये हो जाता है वेयर एंड टेयर, एंड देन दे थ्रो इट ऑफ, दे डिस्कार्ड दोज शूज. बट उसका जो अगर आप सोल देखोगे, जो वो शूज में रहता है, वो इंटैक्ट रहता है. And these are made of very high-end rubbers and high-end quality material. So they said, we'll do something. They came up with a machine. They were in the second year of college, Jai Hind College करके है. So not from the technical background, but from commerce background. And they said कि एक manufacturing unit हम बनाते हैं, जहाँ पे हम लोग ये जो सोल जो शूज डिस्कार्ड होते हैं, उसमें से जो सोल होता है उसको हम कट करके चप्पल्स बनाएंगे. एंड अमेजिंग, आई मीन इन अ वे द काइंड ऑफ पैशन. एंड वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट श्रेयांश भंडारी इज अ co-founder, and his another co-founder is from that underprivileged society, from that particular section of the community, and that is what made them gel together and work together on this idea, because the other co-founder knew exactly the problems faced by those slum kids, and Shreyansh knew how to take this up to the next level with the help of technology, and that is where they came up with Green Soul as an idea. Please Google, you would find a lot of stories about Green Soul as well. But the whole idea out here is they started this venture in their student journey, and they identified a problem which was close to their heart. They found the passion and they worked on it for long term. And now what they are doing is, as a social impact enterprise, as a social enterprise, they are working towards a goal wherein ये जो चप्पल्स वो बना रहे हैं, that they sell it for 299 to 500 rupees range. And then after that as well, again, very, very important that they have partnership with best of the brands now, like Reebok, Adidas, Nike, and whenever any discarded shoes come in, that comes in from even the factory as well, and the factory gives them even second-hand sort of scheme shoes. So again, very interesting idea. ये student journey में ही वो लोग ने identify किया, and that is what they are working on. The third is 14-year-old kid, whom I started mentoring while he was in 14. So rather first year of college, and 14-year-old. I met him, not mentoring, but then we connected on a common platform, and he came up with an idea. I'm sure you would know about the Kumbh Mela, right? That happens all across India. At a lot of places, every 2 to 4 years, it happens at different places. So this kid is from Nashik. So Nashik में जब 2014-15 में कुंभ मेला होना था, तो this guy knew nothing but just coding, nothing more than that. he knew how to develop app. So he came up with a very interesting idea to manage a crowd through which, so Kumbh Mela mein, it was expected that 3 crores, 3 to 5 crores people will gather at Nashik for the Kumbh Mela. And obviously the problem that was cited was stampede and lot of other things. This kid came up with a solution with an app. So उसने क्या किया, उसने मैट बनाया और उसको ऐप के साथ ज्वाइन किया. तो आपको वो मैट पे खड़ा रहना है and simply your thing would get registered in the app so that you can have the social distancing. What we are now talking about is you can have the social distancing. At the same point of time, the app would calculate the number of visitors during Kumbh Mela at important places because वो मैट पे खड़े हैं और एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर अगर वो क्रॉस होता है तो easily they can inform the local authorities and the local authorities can manage the crowd. So it was nothing but managing a crowd through an app, through a coding, nothing more than that. And that is what, if you would see, these are the 3 ideas that came in from students. This solutions came in from students when they looked at the problem around them. This is how you need to start your entrepreneurial journey, is looking at problems in and around you and start solving real problems rather than most of the students I've seen assuming things and getting into a kind of a sort of a challenge which is more around ये innovative है कि नहीं है. Please understand, innovation is not all about kind of coming up with something new. It's also about how do you look at the problems, come up with solutions, come up with the challenges that are there around, and come up with real solutions to that. Not every time your solution has to be very innovative. It could be even copy kind of a model as well, but with an improvement to it. So these are the few examples that I have. As I promised, I'm going to share the interesting journey of Team Prayas. Now, what they really worked upon was they called it as JIGGY, which is effort reducing load barrier career. And then what they really said was we will give comfort while load carrying and maximizing the load carrying efficiency. So this was the problem statement, right? That you have to develop an equipment to overcome the drawbacks and current load of carrying systems. Now you can see in the pictures as well. So there are a lot of kind of workers that would, even in construction industry, as I said, hilly regions. And what it leads to is direct load on the body, neck pain, lower back pain, spinal cord injuries. So again, these were the kind of different problems that were faced by the workers, and how you can come up with a better solution. As you can see, this is a prototype that they have developed. So it is an A-frame structure made up of bamboo. We are working on a couple of other things as well. It's not just only bamboo, but we are working on a lot of other things as well. That it could be even made of aluminum and few bodies, which could be even folded as well, because bamboo can't be foldable. And this is what they have come up with. And what this really does is that they have worked this on SolidWorks. That's a software for 3D modeling, and came up with this kind of a structured solution. Now, again, it's reducing a lot of risk. It's reducing a lot of the pain areas of the worker. And this is what the real solution is all about. So, yeah, I think this is what the thing I really wanted to first you guys to really look at, and how you can really work on each of this particular ideas or the statements. I'll take up few questions now. I think that will be important. I'll just pause on the screen at this moment. If you have any questions, maybe the moderator could ask me certain questions.
Yeah, Udayji, first let me tell the other people, somebody has started presenting, somebody has switched on the mic, and your presentation was, who is this, Thakkar Mitu? Thakkar Mitu, who is it? Srinath, please start removing these people. I'm so sorry for the disturbance, Udayji. So,
no problem.
Yeah, let me tell you, all the participants, not over yet. It is just a sort of a small break. So if you have any queries or you want to know something that you would like to hear in the coming presentation, please let us know. Hello.
Yeah, so I think
This is
we have I think on the chat window I can see some 70 sort of. Let me just kind of run it through that if at all. Okay.
yeah, I don't think so. There is any queries.
Okay. Okay, Chika,
Yeah,
then I'll
we
move
can
on.
move on. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
move on, and then maybe next 15 minutes I'm gonna focus
Yeah, yeah.
on the idea to business model journey. There is one question:
There is
how to
one
tackle the
question.
financial problems? One sec,
Yeah.
I'll just kind of how to tackle the financial problems in starting journey of becoming entrepreneur. I'm gonna address to that as well. So that's a good question. That's from Sakshi Bharadwaj. I'll take that up right within the presentation, and then maybe later on we'll have more questions coming in from others. Yeah, just a request, please. The sharing of screen is only at this particular moment restricted to me, so I would not like anyone so that yeah. I hope you can see the screen now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, we can
Okay.
see this.
Okay. Wonderful. So, yeah, I mean, just to sum it up, very important for you guys that if at all, I've just given 3 examples. There are quite a few examples that we have. अगर ये लोग अपनी journey start कर सकते हैं, and these are like right from Mumbai, places in Nashik, smaller towns. They look at the problems, come up with wonderful solutions. So students will have to always look at what are the kind of areas that they have the passion for. What is it that they can solve? What are the problems that is close to their heart? अगर ये questions वो address कर सकते हैं अपनी journey में, these are the basic questions. What I really call it as hygiene factors for any startup or student entrepreneur. अगर ये पहले अपनी journey में clear कर ले, फिर बहुत आसान हो जाता है बाकी सारी चीजें, which is more about how do you really take your idea to the next level. Now that is very important for you guys to understand कि आपको नेक्स्ट जो लेवल पे जाना है उसके लिए कहां से शुरू करना है इंक्लूडिंग फिनांस एंड देन हाउ डू यू रियली एंश्योर दैट यू टच अपॉन अ जर्नी वेरिन यू फील एंड यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट कि आप आपका वेंचर अभी मार्केट में लेके जा सकते हो विथ रियल रजिस्ट्रेशन. So that is a process. You need to register your startup, and then that is where you are confident of raising funds as well for the startup. Initially, आपको कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट कहीं पे भी, मैंने जो तीनों प्रोजेक्ट बताए उसमें कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट की उतनी जरूरत थी नहीं. सो जैसे टीम प्रयास है, अगर आप देखोगे तो फॉर देम इट वाज हार्डली अ मैटर ऑफ 10,000 to 15,000 rupees that they had to come up with prototype. For Shriyans, it was a matter of 20 to 25,000 rupees because they had to have a मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट वेरिन एटलीस्ट एक मशीन जो ये सोल को कट करने का काम करे, और एक पेटेंटिंग बहुत जरूरी था. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इफ योर आइडिया इज वेरी यूनिक यू नीड टू पेटेंट इट, विच इज कॉल्ड एज इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी. तो ये आपको करना जरूरी है. फॉर दैट ही टुक अराउंड 20 to 25,000 kind of money. He needed that much, and for Nila it was all about coding, nothing more than that. So that is how it's the most important aspect. Now, if you would see, first is, as I've been saying, is all about the problem in and around you. Look at the idea. You can come up with different ideas every time, and you can look at a lot of problems, but look at what is it that is close to your heart and whether there is going to be any market for this or not. और जिसको हम बोलते हैं आइडिया वैलिडेशन. आइडिया को आप वैलिडेट कैसे करोगे कि आपके इन एंड अराउंड प्रॉब्लम है और वो इनोवेटिव है कि नहीं. और तीसरी चीज जो इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो हम हमेशा आइडिया वैलिडेट करने के लिए बोलते हैं, इज कि इसको आप कितना बिलीव करते हो. और दिस शुडंट बी लाइक अ काइंड ऑफ एनी अदर आइडिया व्हिच यू कीप ऑन गेटिंग एवरी डे. दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू फील दैट it's going to be your purpose over a period of time and you are going to solve it over a period of time. So ये बहुत ही जरूरी है कि पहले आपका आइडिया कितना स्ट्रांग है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, नो आइडिया इज right or wrong. It's all about execution. So first is your idea. Second, बहुत ही important है ये journey में, what we really call it as opportunity evaluation. What that means is nothing but keep 3 C's in mind. These 3 C's are competition, कॉम्पिटेंसी एंड कस्टमर। तो पहले तो इसकी आप देखिए कि कंपटीशन है कि नहीं है। काफी टाइम होगा कि आपको लगेगा गूगल पे सर्च करके कि कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, बट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, गूगल इज नॉट द रियल आंसर टू फाइंड आउट वेदर यू हैव अ कंपटीशन और नॉट। द रियल आंसर इज ऑन द फील्ड। आप देखिए, जाके लोगों से मिलिए, उनसे पूछिए, और आपके कंपटीशन के पास भी जाइए। और अगर बहुत ही यूनिक है तो श्योरली यू वोंट हैव एनी कंपटीशन, और अगर कंपटीशन है तो अच्छी बात है। सो एटलीस्ट दैट आइडिया इज बिन वैलिडेटेड. So don't get into something which is monopolistic, which would require a lot of funds and a lot of manpower. That's where competition assessment is required. There is a separate tool or framework for that, which I'll talk about it. Maybe we can do a separate session around that. The second is competency. That is, आप उसमें कितने competent हो खुद। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, मैंने देखा हुआ है काफी स्टूडेंट्स आइडियाज लेके आते हैं जिसमें बोलते हैं ये ऐप के थ्रू हो जाएगा, एंड व्हेन वी आस्क देम कि आपको टेक्नोलॉजी समझ में आती है, आप खुद टेक्निकली साउंड हो कि नहीं इसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, देन दे कम अप विद आंसर कि नहीं हम पार्टनर देख लेंगे, या फिर एक हमारे पास टेक्निकल बंदा है जो ये काम कर लेगा। आपको ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि अगर वो टेक्निकल बंदा काम कर लेगा और आप सिर्फ खाली प्रॉब्लम बता रहे हो, तो वो खुद से भी कर सकता है ये चीज, राइट? व्हाई वुड ही कम टू यू? ही वुड नॉट कम टू यू जस्ट फॉर टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम। सो बहुत जरूरी है कि थोड़े स्किल सेट्स और कॉम्पिटेंसी इन टेक्नोलॉजी यू शुड ऑल्सो हैव इट, और यू शुड डेवलप, because otherwise you are just outsourcing work to others, and that particular outsourced person can own that idea over a period of time. So आपकी खुद की competency आपको चेक करनी है, और बहुत जरूरी है कि how much skilled you are at that, तो ही आप एक entrepreneur बन सकते हो with that passion and with that skill set. And the third thing is you need to find customers for it, and these are real customers. We have seen a lot of people starting off their journey with the freebies and lot of things giving out for free. काफी एप्स मैंने देखे हुए हैं जिसका बिजनेस मॉडल है कि वो फ्री में आपको आप आराम से ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो और यूज कर सकते हो सर्विसेज। One thing that I've seen that everyone has to really understand and keep in their mind is जो फ्री है उसकी वैल्यू नहीं है, because there is no accountability and commitment on both the sides, neither from the person who has developed it nor from the person who's consuming it. So please understand that you have to find customers that are paid customers, or at least pilot customers. What we call it in our entrepreneur language is कि एटलीस्ट जो आपका कॉस्ट कवर कर सके वैसे कस्टमर आप पहले फाइंड आउट कीजिए। आपने अगर 10 रुपए में प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किया है, आप 2 रुपए का लॉस करके भी 8 रुपए में सेल कीजिए, बट नेवर एवर सेल एनीथिंग फॉर फ्री, बिकॉज जब आप फ्री में करोगे एंड देन यू गोना आस्क देम, they are always going to say it's wonderful. So please understand that you really need to develop, which is like a pilot or a paid customer, and you need to identifying, and that's where it's gonna validate your product कि आप real problem solve कर रहे हो कि नहीं, or your solution is real or not. So these are the 3 C's around opportunity evaluation. Then the third thing is you need to have as many customers right at the beginning, what we call it as customer traction. और बहुत जरूरी है कस्टमर का फीडबैक, बिकॉज वही आपको प्रोडक्ट नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेने में हेल्प करेंगे। क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा देयर इज दिस अल्फा फेज, बीटा फेज, एंड ऑल दोज इनिशियल फेजेस इन योर प्रोडक्ट जर्नी, एंड कस्टमर्स आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एसेट्स फॉर यू हु आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू डेवलप अ प्रोडक्ट. व्हेन इन्फोसिस वाज स्टार्टेड, it wasn't started as a company which is into outsourcing of work. They started more or software. They started more as consulting work only. And then over a period of time, they realized that their customer and the customers that are outside India would need such services. And it's going to be a people company wherein they are going to build upon a people, and people are going to provide those services. So customer traction से आप आपका business idea को next level पे जाके improve करके you can define your product well. Next is experimentation. So please understand you need to experiment every time and fail quickly, and don't repeat those mistakes. So that is what is important journey, that is in your idea to validation, that you need to experiment as quickly as possible and come out with those particular products to the real users, not internally consume that. and what we really call it as minimum viable product. Now that is what you really need to work upon, is minimum viable product wherein it's actually been taken up to the real consumers. Team Prayas at this moment is at minimum viable product phase, which is they have built a minimum viable product and now they are going out to construction sites and use the real users, that is construction workers are going to use it, and that is where you would have the minimum viable product or a service, and then you would work on your business model, and that is how your entrepreneurial journey would start. And I wouldn't now even say student entrepreneur, I would say your real entrepreneurial journey starts when you figure out your business model or have come up with minimum viable product. What I've seen students using this effectively different platforms while in college is how do you sell your services or products जो आपने किया है. I've seen a lot of students coming up with very interesting ideas of beyond apps. So they sell second-hand books. They sell kind of very interesting. I've seen even students from a lot of colleges getting into night snacks and food and beverage kind of F&B sort of businesses as well. A lot of them work on their passion. If they are good in nail art and a couple of other things, they start work around that as well, start earning money. See, please understand, entrepreneurship is all about earning money, sustainability, and helping the society and challenging the status quo. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है आपके लिए कि आप ये पर्टिकुलर फैक्टर्स को ध्यान में रखें, और आपके पास ये सब प्लेटफॉर्म्स अवेलेबल है ही. व्हाट्सएप, उसकी ग्रुप बना के बिजनेस वाला अकाउंट लेके यू कैन स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रमोटिंग योर idea or services or product. Second is your Facebook page, very important. So your family friends are there, you reach out to your family and friends, and you reach out to your college networks, festivals, cultural events, and that is how you are going to talk about your student enterprise, and that is going to be very effective for you कि आपको already आपके पास market है, आपके already पास customers है, because I believe most of your solutions would be around in and around student problems. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है आपके लिए, and that is how you would build it. So yeah, that is what, and with this, rather happy to share that we are coming up with a foundation program for budding entrepreneurs as well, which we are starting, because what we saw was a lot of job loss at this moment and reverse migration happening. People would take this. I think innovation and entrepreneurship is the key word now, and people would look at startup as a career path. So that is where we are launching. We also took this as an opportunity, as an incubator and as a startup ourselves. And we said we will really do this for the community as well. Please follow us on AIC RMB. We are there on all the possible social media channels, right from Facebook to Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube as well. We keep on doing a lot of interesting activities around startups, and we have put startups into 3 phases. Pre-incubation, that could be student enterprises. Incubation, these are real registered startups. And the third is acceleration program, which is for the scale up. So this is what entirely I really wanted to share. And as I said, I mean, it would have been wonderful if at all we could have done a kind of a session which was more of in person. But yeah, I think we'll have to live with this. And yeah, open for questions. We have 10 minutes.
Yeah, so Dr. Srinath, could you please take the queries one by one?
Sure, ma'am, sure.
Yeah.
So that was a really insightful presentation, sir. Thank you so much. And the first question is from Sakshi Bhardwaj. How to tackle the financial problems in starting journey of becoming an entrepreneur?
Yeah. So I looked at that particular question, and then see financial problem starting journey of becoming an entrepreneur, and that's where I would connect now to a lot of platforms that are available for a lot of students as well. So if you would see Smart India Hackathon, they run a competition that is a platform wherein you can participate. Then there is a fund which is by government, by Department of Science and Technology, which help on idea to prototype. That's a kind of a program that they run, and it is through Department of Science and Technology and at Atal Innovation Mission as well, AIM. We do programs for innovators, and this is for single innovators, wherein if it's just purely an idea, and if it's really a good idea, there is a grant money that is available. So when I say grant, it's not even kind of there is no sort of a guarantee that you need to give in, and this is something that is given to develop your product. So Department of Science and Technology, what they call it as idea to prototype. I'm going to share with the incubation center what are those schemes, and AIM and a lot of other government platforms जो आपको idea level पे, and then there are a lot of ideathons. So अगर आपके पास अच्छा idea है, there are a lot of platforms from government, corporate that you can reach out to, win in those competitions. There are a lot of competitions, B-plan competitions, business model competitions that you can participate. Rather, जो मैंने एक आपको example दिया श्रेयांश का, which was around Green Soul, जो मैंने shoes के बारे में बात की. They survived their initial journey. They won the E-Summit by IIT Bombay, and the prize money was 5 lakh rupees. और उससे वो लोग ने venture start किया. So again, I mean, these are something wonderful that there are a lot of competitions, not just in India, but globally as well. So this is going to help you a lot, and this will help you to at least take care of the finance. और पहले एक चीज मैं हमेशा बताता हूँ सबको, और मेनली स्टूडेंट्स कम्युनिटी को, कि सबसे पहले अगर आपको बिजनेस मॉडल चेक करना है और आपका आइडिया चेक करना है ना, तो पहले सबसे पहले आपको आपके फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के पास जाना चाहिए. बिकॉज जितना आप अपने आप को जानते हो, उससे अच्छा आपका फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स आपको जानते हैं. तो पहले तो वो बताएंगे कि ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. अगर आप उनको कन्विंस कर सकते हो, नथिंग लाइक इट. एंड इफ यू कैन टेक सम मनी फ्रॉम देम, एंड एज आई सेड, मनी विद द गारंटी दैट यू विल रिटर्न दैट मनी, so surely, I'm sure you can build up your business well, and there won't be any financial issue at all.
Great. So the next question is
family,
from
friends. So just to sum it up, family, friends, grants from government, competitions, different platforms. If your idea is good, people are ready to take that. But again, you need to have the execution plan as well. Idea पे आपको कोई पैसा नहीं देगा.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you, Srinath. Could you please remove Sandhya Saini from the this webinar?
Yes, definitely. Yes,
Yeah.
remove.
Before, thank you.
And so the next question is from Ankita.
Right.
So her question is like, how can teaching entrepreneurships and innovation be developed at universities?
Okay. So I believe your university, Kurukshetra University, has already got an incubation and innovation center. How it could be developed, I would say that, so I always use three E's. 3 E बहुत ज़रूरी है in your journey. So 1 E is what I call it is explore. Second is, so first is explore, second is experiment, and third is experience. So explore, experience, experiment, ये 3 E से अगर आपकी जर्नी होगी, और आपका अगर इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर और कॉलेजेस में ये आप फॉलो करोगे, बिकॉज प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कैन बी टॉट, बट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इज एक्सपेरिएंशियल. आपको खुद को एक्सपीरियंस करना है, तो वो आपको सिर्फ मॉड्यूल्स और वो वाली चीजें आपको सिखा पाएंगे. They won't be able to really help you out in a way that structure किस तरह से करना है, और आपके जो challenges है वो आप खुद face करोगे. So very important for you that you apply this 3 E's in your entrepreneurial journey, which is about exploring कि आपको क्या करना है, experimenting कि आपको वो implement करना है, and then experiential, so which is more about learn from it, and that is how you would develop. So incubation center and innovation center would help you in connecting with the right people, with the right resources and validation. But बाकी जो journey है वो आपकी खुद की है. These are just kind of ecosystem that's there to help you out around.
Great, sir. So the next question is from Shubham. So the question is, if there is an idea, how can we make it publicly to start up to attract for the finance?
Okay, so as I said, I mean, if you have a kind of idea, now that's wonderful. पहले मैंने जैसे बताया 3 E's. Please see that उसमें competition है. आप वो competent हो कि नहीं execute करने के लिए, और उसके लिए customers ready है कि नहीं. It's not just about idea. Let me tell you, lot of students and lot of budding entrepreneurs feel that it's the idea that's kind of workable. It's not the idea, it's the execution. So agar if you are confident about three C's, and if you are confident that this idea is really solving a problem, which is a real problem, and that idea there is already a world or a market to it, it could be even a local market to it. I think that's where you can start talking about it to your friends, family, and even talking to few business professionals, people in your network as well, because they are going to validate it and they are going to tell you. Or usko publicly, again, as I said, there are a lot of platforms now in the government competitions and all that. You can post your ideas. Now even PMO has got a portal. They ask you for different ideas. So please use those forums. And now with social media on, I think you don't have to really do anything. Sitting at home, just post it at different forums. You would get exactly how good is your idea. And as I said, it's not about kind of whether the idea is right or wrong. It's about execution. So people are going to ask you those tough questions. If you have answers to that, I think you have won half the battle. So that is what you really need to look at, is your journey from idea validation to creating something which is minimum viable product. And that's important in your entrepreneurial journey.
Right. So the next question is from Preeti Yadav. So question is, if we found the problem and want to get our guiding from anyone, then with whom we can, is there any platform?
So that's a very open-ended question. Now, again, I mean, I don't know exactly from which campus or which ecosystem you are in, but I always say कि बहुत जरूरी है आपके लिए पहले तो कि अगर आपने रियल सॉल्यूशन या रियल प्रॉब्लम पे आप काम कर रहे हो, तो पहले तो जो आपके स्टेक होल्डर है, दैट इज जो ये प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, उन पे जाके आप सर्वे कीजिए, not through Google sort of a platform. So again, I mean, your questions cannot be in the form of survey questionnaire or Google links. You need to go out and do surveys, market surveys, talk to real customers जो ये problem face कर रहे हैं, and then that is where you would start your journey. Then the second thing is you go to business people and ask them how they develop their business ideas and they are working on the business. That could be from the family as well. So there are a lot of family managed businesses. You could reach out to business people in your family and friends as well who might have started. और अगर ये सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम कोई कर रहा है, जैसे मैंने बोला था कंपटीशन, तो उनके पास भी जाके उनको स्टडी करके यू कैन लर्न लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू वुड रियली start working on a real problem that you have identified and working out on solutions, and you have the network then. And then there are a lot of labs available. Campuses में labs रहते हैं जो आपको infrastructure देंगे. Campuses में faculty members रहते हैं. Campuses में you have alumni as well. Reach out to your ecosystem and I'm sure you'll be able to build, provided your intent is right and you are truthful in your journey, not about kind of going and then just showing up as kind of देखिए मैंने एक entrepreneurship start किया हुआ है journey, and you want to term yourself as a CEO, because that's another sort of a problem that we see, that a lot of students love the designation of getting a CEO sort of a thing. So it's not about the designation, it's about the problem that you are solving. So nowadays, I think it's better that even you don't initially write in your journey that you are the CEO. You say that you are a team member of that particular organization solving a problem. That's where you would really see good sort of inputs coming in from different people.
Right. So the next question is from Professor Anil Mittal. His question is there any quantitative model to understand whether someone is having entrepreneurial skills?
Yes, so there are different frameworks that are there, that are available. What that really means is, so for any entrepreneur's journey, what we really split them into 3 parts. One is as an entrepreneur or as a founder. So as a founder, whether you are confident and strong enough to start your journey, what we call it as founder's profile, वो उस पे काम करते हैं. दूसरा है कि आपका वेंचर लाइफ साइकिल, कि आप कौन से स्टेज पे हो, उसके लिए अलग टूल्स रहते हैं और फ्रेमवर्क रहते हैं, which includes right from business model to marketing to even social media and also networks. And the third is, most important part, is the sustainability model. So it's been kind of different frameworks depending on the kind of journey that you are in, and different set of parameters that are being used. But most two important tools are your business framework, and the other is founders framework. So sure, we can talk about it. We can do specific sessions. You can Google and find out those frameworks as well, which are available online now with open innovation and a lot of new things coming up, which is kind of they're available on the net. You can find out those frameworks and start working on it. We also look at faculty development program at our end, and what we call it as capacity building at campuses, and building such programs for faculty so that faculty can mentor. So that is also very important.
Yeah, Dr. Srinath, I'm interrupting. Udayji, I think so. Dr. Anil Mittal wanted to ask something else. That's what I understand. Dr. Anil Mittal, आप अपना question खुद पूछ लेंगे थोड़ा?
हाँ, yes, please.
Yeah.
My question was, जो आपने बात की वो those were pertaining to the qualitative criteria, traits. But I'm asking about the quantitative criteria, whether someone is able to understand whether I'll be able to become entrepreneur or not. This is what I'm trying to ask.
Sir, वो अगर आप इसमें आप बोलोगे ना quantitative, तो again, I mean, this is not like an academic sort of exam, but then there are certain tools or frameworks normally आपके HR में वो use होते हैं कि आप as a founder, what are your SWOT analysis जो हम बोलते हैं, और उसमें rating भी रहती है. So we have certain models. So we use 2 to 3 different frameworks, and we'll share that particular framework to start looking at a student whether जो aptitude रहता है और skill sets रहते हैं वो check करने के लिए, and we'll give you quantitative answers to that.
हाँ जी उदय जी, मैं इसमें ऐड करना चाहूंगी. एक्चुअली डॉक्टर अनिल मित्तल और हम लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि हम उन स्टूडेंट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करें कुछ क्वेश्चनर देकर, जिनसे कि हमें पता चले कि ओके दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव द एंटरप्रेन्योर स्किल्स, एंड उनको फिर हम लोग जो है अपनी टीम में लेकर उनको ट्रेन करें. डॉक्टर अनिल मित्तल, आप भी पूछना चाह रहे थे ना?
यस, यही एग्जैक्टली यही था.
बट मेरा सर उसमें ये रहेगा काइंड ऑफ कि उसको इतना भी वो उस तरह से फ्रेमवर्क को उस तरह से नहीं कीजिए कि एट टाइम्स it's very difficult because even real entrepreneurs are not able to come up with certain kind of answers in those framework. So it's very important because entrepreneurship, as I said, it's all experiential. And again, over a period of time, agar particular student is not at a particular level at this moment, that doesn't mean that over a period of time that student cannot become an entrepreneur. So there is a possibility you may rule out some good entrepreneurs right at the beginning. It's better that you do more of qualitative rather than quantitative assessments.
Okay, agree. Yeah.
Okay, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So,
yeah.
So the next question is from Alphaz. So
I will take 2 more questions. I think we are already sort of almost. So I think that's fine, right?
Yeah, we can take questions. Questions are always welcome. We can take that. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll take 2 more, and then I think we'll have conversations later on because I've got another meeting that is set up at 5:15. So maybe next 5 minutes. Yeah, sure.
Right, sir. So I think the question is from Alpha. I think you have answered this question. So the question is like, is there any funding agencies to give funds for the students?
Yeah. So idea to prototype, MHRD, AICTE, coming up with Innovation Council, a lot of bodies from the government, non-government, corporate, setting this up for student challenges, ideathons. I mean, it's huge. अभी बहुत सारे opportunities है students के लिए. पहले इतने नहीं थे. In last 2 to 3 years, I have seen in crores of rupees kind of given to the students, helping them to shape their ideas into reality, of coming up with real solutions or at least working on some real problems.
Yes. So the next question is like interesting question. So the question is from Loknath. So at the initial, we feel I love this, I'm passionate about it, and I'm also good at. But when after some time problems comes even putting effort, results will not come up, and we start demotivating ourselves and left after that.
No, this is really kind of a very, very apt question. Now that is where the entrepreneurial material जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि आप कितना बिलीव करते हो वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में और आपके आइडिया पे is this is what it really is all about. And if at all, I always say this, if your intent is good and if you have that purpose sort of a thing, again you would find this anywhere, right? Just look at the current situation, the COVID which has really turned the table around, right from Mukesh Ambani to the person on the street. Everyone is facing a problem and then everyone has to really now work around ways, जैसे हम ये सेशन कर रहे हैं अभी फिलहाल online. I mean, similarly, this journey is so difficult. So if you would see, it's like a kind of a curve, right? And we always use this kind of a thing, which is a learning curve, which is like dip bhi hoga. But if you're so please understand, why are you working for? What is it that you are working for? And over a period of time, use this principle in mind. If at all, if you are a kind of a strong mindset, you have to have a very strong mindset, persistence as well. पर मैंने एक rule apply किया है, where what I really call it as 10,000 hours. I'm sure you might have read this book and which Sachin Tendulkar also talks about, कि आप तब तक फेल नहीं अपने आप को बोलोगे जब तक आप 10,000 घंटे उसमें खुद इन्वॉल्व नहीं रहोगे. नाउ इट्स अप टू यू कि ये 10,000 आवर्स आप कितने टाइम में करते हो. एक साल में भी कर सकते हो बाय वर्किंग 18 to 20 आवर्स अ डे, 3 साल में भी कर सकते हो बाय वर्किंग 10 to 12 आवर्स अ डे, और 5 साल में भी कर सकते हो. So that is very important. Unless and until you have put in that 10,000 hours of hard work, you cannot say that you have failed, and then there are a lot of disturbing factors and lot of things that's gonna demotivate you. पर अगर वो नहीं है तो entrepreneur life का मतलब ही क्या है? Then you are not an entrepreneur. Then simply, I mean, take up a job, right? I mean, that's perfectly fine. Doing a job as well. As I said, we are not here to make everyone entrepreneur. That is the most important thing which set aside the entrepreneurs. And please understand, we are just not talking about entrepreneurs that are like multi-million dollar businesses. There are a lot of entrepreneurs, small scale businesses on the street as well. आप उनके पास जाके देखो, अगर उनके फेस पे स्माइल है every day, at the end of the day, if they are happy, they are successful. That is how you relate yourself, right? I mean, that is what as a vision or as an entrepreneur you need to have, कि आप अपने आप खुश हो कि नहीं और बाकी लोगों को जो आप solution दे रहे हो उससे खुश है. Your entrepreneurial journey is good enough. You don't have to really talk about numbers and other things, because that's again very materialistic. और challenges है तो अच्छी बात है. That's helping you to shape your career in a better way, and you can apply those challenges in your life forever.
Right, sir.
Yeah, before Shrina takes up
Yeah.
the next question, I would request Udeji to please tell me about the online program that you are conducting on entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
If you could share the
So we
link
are- so-
to my
yeah,
mail
sure.
ID while here.
So again,
And if there are any charges for that program, are you charging anything for that program?
yeah. So definitely, as I said, there is nothing. So if at all, if you would have kept it free, जो मैंने ज्ञान दिया था मेरे presentation में about free things, I wouldn't have really, we wouldn't have done this, right? So there are subsidized fees that is there, but the resources that are there have been doing such programs. So if you would go to any MBA campus or any institute, the kind of resources that are involved with it, it's almost, we worked out on that, and it's almost coming to 60 to 70,000 as a program fees. What we are doing this, as you would have seen in the screenshot, we are doing this because we understand that innovation and entrepreneurship is the solution at this moment for a lot of problems around. And if people want to take up their journey of entrepreneurship, this is the program that would help them to understand the foundation of entrepreneurship as well as startup. And that's where this is at a fees, what we have kept it is 4,500 rupees, which is online. And it's for 20 hours of learning hours from experts, which are entrepreneurship. So this experts are entrepreneurship educators, funders. So these are from angel investment, and these are from the startup ecosystem. And the whole idea is, if at all so it's limited to 25 participants. And if at all, if we find some good participants from them, then we would offer them incubation as well at our center. So again, I mean, nothing is free in this world. And then sure, the other part is fees, which is very subsidized. We are going to take this live tomorrow. So we'll share the details over the mail about the program.
Okay.
But I believe that's important that we reach out to people
Okay.
and then talk about that.
Yeah. I feel so many of our students should be attending that, because that's really relevant.
No, but I think it's just that we have kept
to-
an age group of 22 to 35 in that. Again, we wanted to really have a serious flavor, and then if certain
Yeah, our students are postgraduate students
So,
only.
sir, you have made us uneligible.
Yeah.
You have made us non-eligible.
we may come up with programs specific to the students. The reason I have an answer to this as well. The reason we don't want to really reach out, we are developing program for the faculty, wherein we believe that not all the things we can do it ourselves. The faculty should take this up, and we call this as faculty development program, wherein faculty should be able to reach out and help students, our models, adapt our models, and that's going to help a lot of campuses to become self-sustainable. So that's where incubation centers like us are not even required to reach out to idea stage kind of or student level. We would develop modules which would really equip the campuses itself to run program on themselves for the students. Right?
So are you taking more questions, or
No,
you
I
wanna wind up?
think thank you so much. I hope so. In between, we had some sort of technical glitches wherein students and participants couldn't see the screen. We apologize for that, but I believe overall, if we can create more entrepreneurs, that was the whole idea. And if at all my session, although I try to stick to the real aspects of it, but at times, again, I mean, so passionate sort of a topic. So if it had gone into Gyan mode, so again, sorry about that. But surely, I mean, it was more about the experiences, as I said, what I've seen over a period of time, and wanted to share that only.
Yeah, so allow us the privilege to thank you. Dr. Srinath, please propose the vote of thanks.
Yes, sure. Here comes to the end of this session. And firstly, I would like to thank today's speaker, Mr. Uday Wankawala, for taking his time and sharing his thoughts. Thank you so much, sir. And next, I would like to thank Professor Anureka ma'am for conducting this event. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to thank all the PAG members of Kutik who are unconditionally helping us. And finally, I would like to thank all the student coordinators, students who are participating in this event. Thank you so much. With this, you come to the end of the session. Thank you so much. And I request you all to fill the feedback form and send it by tomorrow. Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Srinath, and thanks, Dr. Udayji. We'll have you again. This was just because we wanted to listen to you. Thanks for your time, and thanks everyone for being there. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.